Here I have Blackberry KeyOne, and let me show you how to insert SIM card on the following device. So at the very beginning, as you can see, there is no SIM card. You have to switch off your phone, so just tap on power key, hold it for a while and then select power off. Now your device is shutting down, and once it's off, just turn it around. Use some kind of clamp or fastener, and on the right edge of your phone you will notice the slot for SIM card, so just push your clamp into the hole over here, so just push it, and as you can see, here is your slot. So remove it, the whole slot, and then prepare your SIM card. Here it is, here's your Nano SIM card, and now here is a characteristic edge, some kind of cut edge, and enter it properly. So once you have it prepared, as you can see, here it is, just insert it where it should be, so just to the same place that you took it off. So that's it. Now you can switch off your phone, so just tap on power key, hold it for a while, and within a few seconds, once your device is activated, you will be able to make phone calls, send messages, or do whatever you want to. You will have a connection with the world. And that's it. Just give your device a while to connect, and you can use your device easily. So thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.